Hi everyone, Suzanne Engel from Flat Wearable Artisan Jewelry. I wanted to do this video and give you a little bit more of a deep dive into the look of the brand new book, The Art of the Spoon Ring. This is a book that I've wanted to write for a very long time, but as you know, life and work often gets in the way of the things that we want to do. But I've been able to get the book done. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's so much more than just a simple reference guide. It is a full course in silverware jewelry making. So if you are a beginner, if you have never picked up a hammer, if you've never attempted jewelry at all, and if you have been making silverware jewelry for many, many years, this book is going to encompass so much material that is going to benefit both the beginner and the advanced artist. So let's take a moment. I'm going to give you a deeper look. I'm going to explain the book to you, let you decide whether it's something that you would like to have in your jewelry studio. So this is the book here. It is over 200 pages and it is full color, absolutely gorgeous, beautiful laminated finish on the cover. The printing company did an amazing job. We did it spiral binded. And the reason for that is when you're working and you want to follow along, it's easy just to fold the book back, prop it somewhere on your bench, and you have all the information that you need right at your fingertips. So let me just go through some of the book with you and show you what you will be getting. Like I said in the intro, this is a full course into silverware jewelry artistry. I have paid $200 just to take one class to learn one piece of jewelry. For $60, you're getting 32 projects. Every project comes with a QR code. You can use your phone or your tablet, as long as it's internet connected, and scan the QR code of the tutorial that you're interested in. It will bring you to the video that the tutorial is about, and you can follow right along with the words and the video and do it in your own time. Stop, pause, rewind, fast forward, enlarge the picture, be able to see things more clearly with the YouTube videos. What I have found as an educator over the years is that we have many, many different types of learners. Some people are really visual. Some people are very tactile. Some people need a lot of help. Some people really only learn best by reading. So this gives everything to help pretty much any kind of learner out there. You're going to have the visual, the tactile, the book in your hands. I love a book. I love to be able to turn the pages and read things over and over again. I love books. And in our culture and society today, books are becoming more and more scarce. And I think books are important. Physical books are important. We do plan on producing this in digital format at some time in the near future. But right now, if you want the book, we do have it available on the website. And as I said, the price is $60. And let me show you what you're going to get for the $60. So in here, we have some QR codes for some of our best products, our most popular products, including our bender. Some of our displays, and a bunch of our hollow knife inserts that we have these inserts custom made for us. Some information in the beginning about myself and how Flat Wearable got started. We're going to give you the introduction into silverware jewelry making, things that you need to know, preparation, tools, what you're going to be experiencing in silverware jewelry making. This page right here is page 14 that tells you how to use the book. I'm going to explain to you how to use the book, so if you watch this video, you'll understand it more thoroughly. All the chapters are detailed in here. Excuse me, I should say all the tutorials are detailed in here. And you can get right to the page that you're looking for. This lists all of the tutorials in the book. There are 32 in total. And we start out with the classic spoon ring. And in here, I teach you 4 different styles. We have your regular wrap. which is this wrap here. It's just a regular round wrap with an overlap. We have a spiral wrap, we have a saddle wrap, and we have a end-to-end butt-end ring. And this goes in accordance with the video tutorial. Just scan that QR code there. You'll go right directly to the video tutorial. And you can learn all about making rings. And it continues on. Fork rings. We're doing some curly fork rings in here. We're doing bracelets. We've got several styles of bracelets. Again, scan the QR code. Watch the video. Follow along in the chapter so you can learn how to make all these styles of bracelets. Put your own touches to everything. This particular bracelet I did many years ago, drilled a lot of holes in it, hung a lot of little charms on it, and it makes a really neat cha-cha bracelet. So there's just loads and loads of information in here. Everything from simple beginner things up to more complex things that include soldering and multi-level construction. Oh my goodness, there's just so much information in this book. And it really, truly was a joy to create this book. I've loved doing the book. I've loved the years that I've been a silverware jewelry artist. My heart lies in education, and I want to be able to bring education to the public. There are no books on silverware jewelry, none that I am aware of. If there are any, nothing that's even beginning to be this comprehensive. Again, you're getting an entire course in silverware jewelry making. So after all of the tutorials, we have a reference guide in the back. And let me flip over to that. And in the reference guide, we touch on a lot of different areas where people have a lot of questions. So the reference guide, what comes in these chapters here, that's all listed here. The arbor press, lots of questions on the arbor press. We show you both in written and pictures. You scan the QR code, we show you in the video how to set up your arbor press with our bending tool and how to make yourself mostly successful in using the arbor press to do the bending. There are sections in the book where we have bonus video tutorials. This particular style ring here, the Bella Princess ring, is not a silverware jewelry project, but it is another project that is more of an advanced technique. We give you the QR code for that, so you can directly just go watch that video. Shop tips and tricks. Common things that people ask about. Drilling. Drilling's another topic that gets a lot of questions. Tumbling is another topic. Lots of questions. We give you the answers. At least I hope we gave you the answers that you're looking for. Soldering is a huge topic. A lot of people think that you cannot solder silver-plated jewelry, silver-plated silverware. It's absolutely not true. You can. I've done it for years. I've done it successfully, and I've taught it to thousands of people. This is a very comprehensive chapter. It explains a lot of things about soldering, both for silver-plated and for sterling. The emphasis, though, on silver plate, because that's what most of our artists use. And we show you some of the most popular tools there. And then we have a chapter on... This is a chapter on annealing. Again, another really, really important topic where people have a lot of questions. People will ask, do you need to anneal the silverware before you bend it? And the answer is no, you do not. The only time that I anneal silverware before bending is with sterling silver. And the reason for that is twofold. One is the silverware tends to be older, so it can get more brittle. The annealing process softens the metal, makes it easier to bend and less prone to breaking. Also, in sterling silverware, we often find very deep patterns. And wherever you have deep areas, those areas are prone to breaking during bending. So annealing is an important step. If you do need to anneal silver plate, we give you the information on that. We carry a product called Fire Shield, and it's a coating that you're going to add to your silverware before you do the annealing. Here's some information on fork elephants and a QR code. Rolling mill, another really, really popular topic of discussion. You can do spoon bowls and make some really creative designs on spoon bowls. All kinds of things, adding texture to that fork there. So that created a lot of interest in that. Adding texture to copper pieces. So the book is mainly 99% about silverware jewelry, but we give you information that pertains to other types of jewelry as well. This is about pickling. Pickling, again, another really, really popular topic. People ask a lot of questions about. We go over what pickling is, how to do it, what kinds of solutions that you need to create, how to handle it, how to dispose of it. Lots of information there. Patina. Patina is another really important topic. I tried to touch on the majority of the discussions that I've had with customers over the years and in the Silverware Jewelry Artist Colony. Things that people want to know, things that people want to learn. This chapter here is on patina. Liver of sulfur. There are alternative ways to do patina, and we give you the information on that as well. Pot metal. Oh my gosh, I could write a book just on pot metal itself. Pot metal is junk metal. It is a bunch of metals that have been melted and poured into molds to create silverware. I never recommend using pot metal. For one thing, it breaks when you bend it. And for another thing, it tends to have toxic materials in it because you don't know what kind of metal is being poured into those molds. We don't consider it safe. Here at Flat Wearable, we do not consider it safe to use either for eating or for making jewelry. Cutting it, creating the dust that comes from it, breathing that in, it's not something that we recommend at all. We tell you how to look for it. It's easy to spot when you know how to look for it. This is a beautiful chapter on the history of silverware jewelry. Silverware jewelry goes back centuries, and we go over that with you. Silverware identification. A lot of people want to know, how do I identify my silverware? How do I know if something's silver plated? How do I know if it's sterling? We give you the information on that. Recommended tool list. I get a lot of questions. What do I need to get started in silverware jewelry making? We give you that information there. This is a picture of our location here in West Seneca, New York. Jewelry show checklist. A lot of our customers do shows, do flea markets, do craft fairs, that kind of a thing. We've got a jewelry show checklist here, and you can fill in. You know, if there's things that I've missed, things that you bring that I haven't touched on, write yourself notes in here. This is your book for you to make it your own and to work with in the way that you work, the way that things work most easily for you. How to price your jewelry, always a big question. We give you the examples of how to price your jewelry. We also have a free online jewelry calculator. You just type in the information, it calculates it for you automatically. We have a QR code for that. These are our videos on YouTube. So you have that information there. If you're looking for something specific, you can just go to our YouTube channel, see if we have a video on it. If we don't have a video on it, if it's something I haven't touched on over the years, please get a hold of me, Suzanne at flatwearable.net, and I'd be very happy to consider a video on other topics. The Artist Colony. This, what to me is the most important resource of all, and that is the Silverware Jewelry Artist Colony that we have on Facebook. It is a teaching and learning community We have well over 3,000 members from all over the world. Very sharing community, drama-free. I guarantee you it's drama-free. And that's the way we want to keep it. We want to focus on jewelry making. We don't want to focus on garbage outside of jewelry making. So in the back here, the back page, this shows some of the wire work video material that I have done. There are QR codes for that as well. It's not silverware jewelry making, but very frequently jewelry artists like to delve into different areas of jewelry making. So we give you some information on that as well. So that is the book. Like I said, full course in silverware jewelry making. Every chapter, every tutorial, 32 of them, all come with QR codes that have matching videos. It is a superb book. We feel it is a worthwhile investment. We hope that you want to pick one up for your own studio. And we love to hear your feedback on it once you receive it. I'm always learning, wanting to learn how to do things better and to be more efficient and to help you guys, because that's why we do what we do. We want to make you successful, because if you're successful, we're successful. So we hope that you pick up this book. It's on pre-order right now. The books will be in our Flat Wearable headquarters here in West Seneca, New York, sometime in the middle of July of 2025. So if you are watching this video post that, you'll be able to just go right on the website and go ahead and purchase it, and we'll send it right out. If you purchase it before, if you do a pre-order, we'll get them out to you as soon as we can. Thank you so much. This book would not be possible without the support of our customers. We love and appreciate you guys, and we hope you love the book as much as I have enjoyed making it for you.